guys, welcome back to another video. This is To The Limits, and in front of us, ooh, we got a big bad Ford Raptor. Not no ordinary Raptor though. If you take a look, those Vorsteiner rims already look good. If you notice the purple theme going on here. Purple, come around, purple, and obviously he loves green. Go follow the owner Instagram right there, Medusa_performance. But yeah, to the Raptor though, what he has so far, he has a full catback Corsa extreme exhaust. We got downpipes on there. We did yes, it's got a train horn. That's a list of like all the stuff that has been done to it. You see the Corsa, Vorsteiners, the tires, the wheels. I mean, the tires on this vehicle is already expensive enough. One tire for this is 4 tires on that. But yeah, it's an overall nice, clean looking Raptor. I mean, you can see he's put a lot of work in this thing, a lot of money into this thing, and I know that he want to go on bags. Yep. So if you guys do know a company that make bags for the Raptor, put it in the comments down below. Or if you're a company that want to work with him and make bags for the Raptor, you can follow his Instagram, message him right there. Alright, let's take a look on the interior first. If you didn't know, because I didn't before, the door handles on a Raptor are not like any other door handles. You pull it like this in order to open it. Never seen that before in my life. Ford, you did it right. The orange on the seats says Raptor on the embroidery. The paddles, I mean, a lot of sports cars get the paddles wrong, and Ford over here with a truck getting the paddles right. I mean, take a look at these things. And they feel nice to pull. It's a 10-speed automatic, shifts quick, and hopefully you guys hear the turbo sound coming in the video. You can see he's a working man. But yeah, orange everywhere on the seats. It's just a premium feel. The full panoramic roof. An amazing looking, feeling, driving beast. I can. But that's sick. It's like in a truck, you can get up to speed that quick.
Yeah. Like none of them do that.
Exactly.
Especially like 20-something pounds of boost.
Oh, you're right? 20-something pounds of boost?
On peak, I think it was like when it was on a dyno, it reached like 25.
How much power did it make on the dyno?
560, I think.
560 horsepower.
Yeah.
And all you did is the Corsa Extreme catback exhaust.
Yeah, Corsa Extreme, I did the quarter intake. I did change the spark plugs to 2 3/4 spark plugs. That's pretty much it.
And then the downpipe.
Yeah, the downpipe.
But the outside looks sick. You got the train horn, that's the most important part. It's like you expect something to be blind down.
Yeah.
So if you make the left rear go down, you make the left and come back right.
Yeah.
Turn in there. Because this is Florida, you can't trust these people. I just love the sound.
I spent a lot of money on sound in this car.
Right? Because the Corsa and then the downpipes and everything. You can feel the traction saving you.
You can feel it. It's there. You can. If I took it all off.
This should not be possible in a Raptor.
Yeah, you never think about this thing. And it makes all the good noises too, like all the turbo noises. It makes it all. I feel like once in a while, if something's wrong with the tune or something, you can hear it because it'll start to do the 1Js and all that, how they flutter.
Yeah.
So it goes
Second gear.
you can feel it lift up so much.
Right as I like want to do a wheelie.
Yeah, factory, it's limited at 107. Fast as I took it so far. Fast as I took it so far was like 135, 140. And that's when you need more road.
The turbo sound when you press the gas and ease up.
Yeah. It makes a lot. And this turbo is so small too. Well, factory turbo.
I think I can get that on camera. The ring stuff. We'll see. You think it's gonna pick it up?
If not, when you rev, you can probably hear somewhere else. But
Alright, just hold it right here. I'll just put it back in order. And it becomes so much louder. Oh my gosh, it becomes so much louder.
yeah.
You feel the traction?
Yeah. The axle bumps.
And the pump. Oh my gosh, it becomes so much louder.